The shining silver moon grows. See the smiling crescent glow. Hearts are full because we know it's Ramadan. Friends, family celebrate. Hang lanterns and decorate. Small things we appreciate. It's Ramadan. It's a special time of year. Share some smiles and bring some cheer. Tell your loved ones far and near. The month of kindness is finally here. It's Ramadan. Time to give to those in need. Every day and you good deed. And every night yummy feast. It's Ramadan. The donations that we share shows each other that we care. Wish peace and joy everywhere. It's Ramadan. It's a special time of year. Share some smiles and bring some cheer. Tell your loved ones far and near. The month of kindness is finally here. It's Ramadan. See the moon changing light. Say hello at twilight. Count down the days that go by. It's Ramadan. Be honest, patient and kind. Bow your heads and you will find every good thing comes with time. It's Ramadan. It's a special time of year. Share some smiles and bring some cheer. Tell your loved ones far and near. The month of kindness is finally here. It's Ramadan. It's Ramadan.